Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Salesforce Certified Administrator Training, Lecture 8. In this lecture, we will learn about collaboration and communication in Salesforce, introduction to Salesforce Chatter, creating chatter groups and feeds, collaborating and sharing information in Chatter, using Salesforce email templates and mail merge, integrating Salesforce with Microsoft Outlook, integrating Salesforce with Google Apps. Introduction to Salesforce Chatter. Salesforce Chatter is a powerful collaboration tool that allows teams to work together more efficiently and effectively. It provides a social network-like platform for employees to share information, collaborate on projects, and stay up to date with the latest news and developments within their organization. One of the key benefits of Salesforce Chatter is its ability to break down silos and facilitate communication across departments and teams. By providing a central hub for collaboration, it helps to streamline workflows, reduce duplication of effort, and improve overall productivity. With Salesforce Chatter, teams can work smarter, not harder. Creating chatter groups and feeds. Creating chatter groups and feeds is a simple process that can greatly enhance collaboration within your organization. To create a group, simply click on the Groups tab in Chatter and select New Group. From there, you can choose the type of group you want to create, such as a public group for open discussion or a private group for confidential information. Once you have created a group, you can invite members to join and start posting updates and comments. Feeds, on the other hand, are individual streams of information that can be followed by anyone in your organization. To create a feed, simply click on the Feeds tab in Chatter and select New Feed. You can then choose the type of feed you want to create and start posting updates. Collaborating and sharing information in Chatter. Chatter is a powerful tool for collaboration and information sharing in real time. By creating chatter groups, team members can share updates, files, and ideas with each other instantly, regardless of their location. This feature not only enhances productivity, but also fosters a sense of community among team members. One of the key benefits of using Chatter for collaboration is that it eliminates the need for lengthy email threads or time-consuming meetings. Instead, team members can quickly exchange information and feedback through Chatter feeds, which are organized by topic and easy to follow. Additionally, Chatter allows users to tag colleagues in posts, ensuring that important information is seen by the right people at the right time. Using Salesforce email templates and mail merge. Salesforce email templates and mail merge are powerful tools that can help streamline communication with customers and prospects. With email templates, you can create standardized messages that can be easily customized and sent to multiple recipients. This saves time and ensures consistency in your messaging. Mail merge allows you to send personalized emails to a large number of recipients, using data from Salesforce to populate fields such as name and company. To create an email template in Salesforce, navigate to the Email Templates tab and select New Template. From there, you can choose from a variety of pre-built templates or create one from scratch. Once you've created your template, you can use it to send emails directly from Salesforce or through third-party email clients like Outlook or Gmail. To perform a mail merge, navigate to the Contacts or Leads tab and select the records you want to include. Then, click the Mail Merge button and follow the prompts to customize your message and send it out. Integrating Salesforce with Microsoft Outlook. Integrating Salesforce with Microsoft Outlook can greatly enhance your productivity and efficiency. With this integration, you can easily sync your contacts, calendars, and emails between both platforms, eliminating the need for manual data entry and reducing the risk of errors. In order to set up the integration, simply follow these steps. First, navigate to the Setup menu in Salesforce and select Desktop Integration. Next, choose Microsoft Outlook from the list of available integrations and follow the prompts to download and install the necessary software. Once installed, you can configure the integration settings to your liking and start syncing your data instantly. Integrating Salesforce with Google Apps. Salesforce and Google Apps are two powerful tools that can be integrated to streamline your work processes and boost productivity. By integrating Salesforce with Google Apps such as Email, Calendar, and Drive, you can easily access important information and collaborate with colleagues in real time. For example, you can create a new lead in Salesforce directly from an email in Gmail, or schedule a meeting in Google Calendar and have it automatically sync with Salesforce. Additionally, by integrating Salesforce with Google Drive, you can easily share files and collaborate on documents with colleagues, all within the Salesforce platform. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Collaboration and Communication module in the Salesforce Certified Administrator training equips administrators with the necessary skills to foster effective communication and collaboration within the Salesforce platform. This module emphasizes the importance of seamless information exchange, teamwork, and engagement to drive organizational success. By exploring features like Chatter, Salesforce's social collaboration tool, administrators can promote real-time communication and knowledge sharing among users. They learn to create Chatter groups, enabling teams to collaborate on specific projects, share ideas, and resolve issues efficiently. This enhances transparency and encourages cross-functional collaboration, leading to improved productivity and innovation. The training also covers the integration of email, allowing administrators to configure Salesforce with email services, track communications, and maintain a unified view of interactions with customers and prospects. This streamlines communication and ensures that critical information is captured within the platform for future reference. Moreover, administrators learn to leverage Salesforce's productivity tools like tasks and events, enabling users to schedule activities, set reminders, and manage their work more effectively. By encouraging users to adopt these tools, administrators can help ensure that important tasks are completed on time and that deadlines are met. The module also emphasizes the significance of customizing Salesforce's communication features to align with an organization's specific needs. Administrators can create custom email templates, workflow rules, and approval processes, enhancing communication, consistency, and efficiency. Furthermore, the training explores the integration of third-party applications and tools to extend Salesforce's collaboration capabilities. By integrating applications like Microsoft Teams or Slack, administrators can facilitate seamless communication across different platforms, breaking down silos and promoting a cohesive work environment. In conclusion, the Collaboration and Communication module equips Salesforce certified administrators with the tools and knowledge to create a collaborative ecosystem within Salesforce. By promoting effective communication, streamlining workflows, and fostering teamwork, administrators can enhance productivity, customer engagement, and overall business outcomes. This module plays a vital role in preparing administrators to leverage Salesforce as a central hub for communication and collaboration, leading to a more efficient and cohesive organization.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.